Hey everyone, I'm sorry if there is an echo. I haven't really tested it out in here before, but we're in a new location because I need to get this done. I've let my legs grow out long enough to where I can be able to wax it, because if you haven't noticed, I can't really bend over too much. I guess the past couple of times I kept cutting myself with the razor because I can't even see what I'm doing. I'll give this another go and wax these hairy berry legs and probably my arms too, because I have a lot of hair everywhere. My hair grows like really fast and it's obnoxious and it makes me miserable during the summertime. Not bad in the winter, but summers are like, no, because I'm sweating right now. I'm hot from this. Yeah, I had a really bad experience the very first time I did try waxing. That was with my underarms. It was a disaster. There was skin torn, bleeding, wax got in my hair, and there was a lot of tears and misery, but I did do a story time on that, so I'll link that somewhere here if you're interested or curious. And I kind of tell you how to get it out of your hair if it gets into it. Hopefully this isn't as miserable as my first time, but I did try it on a small patch. I do have the hard wax, but I don't really like that hard wax. I'm not really a fan of it. It doesn't pull out all of the hair and it just hurts. I think I'm going to combine that with the strips that I already had. Hopefully that'll get all the hair out in one swipe, because I can't take this anymore. So since I have no idea what I'm doing, I watched a couple of videos online and tried to sort of figure out the steps of what to do. I'm just gonna kind of wing it. I had ordered maybe like a year ago this heating wax kit. It's Femiro. It came with the stuff to prep your legs, do the aftercare. Of course, it has a top and a stick that I left downstairs that you can rest your wax stick on. It came with a pack of wooden sticks and a couple of different hard wax. There's blue, there's pink, there's black, white, and they all have different scents. But I'm not going to use most of the things that came with this. From what I saw online, you just kind of like prep your legs. I'm gonna, sorry, it's hard to breathe because it's hot. My asthma's kicking in. I'm going to use some rubbing alcohol to wipe my legs down again because I just took a shower and it's kind of hot in here, so it's making me sweat again. I'm going to wipe that down with some rubbing alcohol, and then for after the wax, once you get rid of all the hair and if there's any residue, I'm just going to use some baby oil, wipe it down, and it'll get it out. I also have my gloves and a couple of waxing strips. I'm going to heat up my wax and get everything kind of set up, and I will meet you back with my hairy legs. Okay, so it heated up and melted. I wiped down my legs with the alcohol already while I was waiting because I was bored. And now I'm going to put my gloves on and hopefully I don't cry. I don't really know how this is going to work out because my stomach's like in the way to actually like bend down and do this, but that's why I'm doing it, because I can't see it to shape. Alright. So right now I'm putting on a new pair of gloves. I had to clean out the other wax, which was a hot mess. I put in the Sally Hansen all over her body wax. I don't know if you can, I'll zoom it in later. Yeah, I used that the first time and it didn't work out too well, so hopefully round 2 will be better. So that took forever for this one leg. I had to turn the camera off because it was too much, too long. I wanted to wax it and be done with this stupid leg. Unfortunately, I used 90% of what was left of the wax for this one leg, and I still have the other one to go. Ow, I shouldn't have bent my leg like that. I still have the other one to go. I mean, I have enough. Actually, I don't. If I mix the hard wax with the soft wax, will it still work just the same? Or am I gonna ruin it? I'm probably gonna ruin it. But otherwise, I mean, it looks just like when I shave. No different. I still have strawberry legs, so it's gonna look dotty anyways, but hopefully it'll take longer to grow back than just regular shaving. I'm not sure if you can see from here, but no, you can't. I have a bunch of little red dots on the side of my foot, but I think side of my leg, but I think that's because I already irritated the skin from the hard wax, peeling it and then having to go over it with the soft wax. Yeah, I'm gonna mix the two and hopefully I don't destroy what's left of it. I got another hairy bear leg to go. I don't even have enough for my arms. I'm just gonna shave those, and then when I go to the store I'll buy more wax and then have to wait it out and then wax that. But yeah. I'm hot. Whew. So I was able to do the second leg much faster and used a lot less wax than the first. I think with more practice, I'll ace it, but it wasn't too bad. Pain was like, out of 10, I'd give it maybe like a 4, 3.5. No, it wasn't that bad. Some people might not be able to handle it, but leg-wise, I can handle pain. I don't know about the more sensitive areas, but yeah. It was really messy. I ended up dropping some on the rug by accident, and I kind of was able to get a little bit off, but since it's a fluffy rug, you can't really tell. It's like in the top corner, so it wasn't too bad. And some did get on the tub somewhere, but that'll be easy to remove. The baby oil works wonders in removing the wax. It's just I'm really slippery right now, so I'm going to take a shower, actually fully get the rest of the wax off my legs. But yeah, this experience wasn't as traumatizing as the first one, and so hopefully it'll be a lot easier in the future. Yeah, my legs are not completely silky smooth. I feel like I did miss like a couple little bit of spots, but like I can't even tell where. So if anything, I'll run the razor over it, but it's better than the whole leg, you know, being full of hair and having to shave that. So it's not too bad. Anyways, I guess please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you lovelies next time.